What it do, YouTube? This your boy KG, back with another video. Been a while since I posted another video. Did a little work to the 300, but before we get started, make sure y'all click on that like button, hit that subscribe button for me. Goal is to reach 100, so I'm 94 short. Y'all help me out. But anyway, it's a little update on the 300. Gonna get a cold start, and it's cold as hell out here too. It's been a few days, well actually probably 2 weeks since I crunk it up, but got a little surprise. Finally got the wheels put on now. Hope y'all can hear me, cause man, it's cold as shit out here. Good God Almighty. Woo. Yeah, one with the 24-inch Ruccis. Need to be cleaned up and all that, but it's just too damn cold out here. Also, we got the spinning cap go with it. It's so cold they don't even want to spin. As you can see, yeah, I ain't drove it at all. Yeah, I got that on now. Woo-wee. Yeah, roll tide. That's what it look like. We'll call it a night rider. Man, when I say it's cold out here, boy, it is cold. Good God Almighty. Also, did a little work in the trunk. So y'all see what I got. Scars back there. Whew. Eventually, I'm gonna get it customized, but that's just something for me to listen to right now. When I said them jokers that tan my car up, they tan my car up. They the VXF 12s. Y'all can see, it's been a while since I even opened the trunk or anything. Man, it's cold. Good God, it's cold. But anyway, let's go ahead and close this here down. Phonics back there. Sound real good. I mean, it's beating like a you know what, but yeah, I'll give y'all a little update on it once it warm up, man. It is cold as hell out here right now. I mean, it is cold. Good God Almighty. YouTube, that's it's a little update on the 300. Kind of deciding what color I want to paint it. Kind of want to go with a brandy wine candy or black cherry. Get in the comments, tell me what you think. It's a big old makeover coming over real soon. But just a little short version, because it is too damn cold out here. It is cold-ish out here. Anyway, if you're watching the video, make sure you click on that subscribe button for me. Click on that notification so you'll see the build in progress. I will be uploading more videos to come. I appreciate all the help. Like I said, 100 subscribers are what we're trying to get to right now. As the old saying is, you gotta crawl before you can walk. So we crawling right now. If y'all hit that subscribe button for me, then we might get to walking. Appreciate it. Peace.